and it has, and I mean, based upon that, you can say, okay, this doesn't really necessarily have anything to do with any sort of color revolution or, nonviolent protest, but rather a very practical idea of if you're doing things that are illegal, you're putting yourself in danger because the actions ordered against you could be against the military code of justice. It could also be against international law. There may be prosecutions for that. The last time I heard a lot of talk about this was a long time ago during Iraq, and the it was very interesting because there was a lot of talk about, oh, who's going to prosecute the war crimes in Iraq, all this sort of thing. And this is probably where this is probably getting louder calls than anything we did in any of the sandboxes, which I find interesting. Yeah, I mean, here's the reality: is like, and I always talk about this, where someone's going to see their exposure to this story, their only exposure to this story, may be the clip of this show where I'm talking about it. And that could be the only thing they're really aware of because they're not a news junkie.